get this cleared up. Yes. Don't you move. You're on my bed, as you can see. Maverick's the only one who can get up and down. Newt's figured out how to get up. I still pick up P because he's... There we go. He's back there trying to make a fort for himself. Nope, not the remote. Sorry, I'm all over the place, but they're all over the place themselves. Yep, it's a long ways down. Hey, Coco. There goes the boy. He does want to try it. Do you want to try it? No? Not that way. Here, shall we try it? Watch. Here we go. Coco, let him up. Oops. Empty airspace there. Empty airspace there. You ready, P? Alright, let's get you down. Alright, down. Try going down the steps. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Newt, you too. Come on, P. Come on, P. Come on, P. You can see my floor is a mess. Thank God I don't have carpet. It's just cement. But Newt. Maverick. Alright, Newt. Be careful. There. Good boy, Newt. Come on, P. You're a good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're good at that, Maverick. Alright, I'm gonna have... Are you stuck, baby boy? Are you stuck, my poor boy? Maverick, go on the inside. Don't you jump. Why don't you learn to get off on the steps? Okay, come on. There we go. There we go. Alright, come on, Newt. Newt! Coco! Play with him in the middle of the bed, not on the... There we go. Okay. It's time to go. Say bye.